This next example we've already gone over, so I'm going to pause while you fill in the coordinate plane with the signs on cosine, sine, and tangent. In which quadrant are they positive, in which quadrant are they negative? Make sure when you're filling this in that you put the cosine, sine, you put whether or not cosine is positive or negative for the x value, and you put whether sine is positive or negative for the y value when you're filling in those ordered pairs. Alright, so I'm going to fill it in for you now. Of course, in the first quadrant, cosine and sine are both positive, and of course tangent is as well. In the second quadrant, cosine is negative, sine is positive, so the ratio or tangent will be negative. In the third quadrant, cosine and sine are both negative, so the ratio, tangent will be positive. And finally, in the fourth quadrant, cosine is positive, sine is negative, so the ratio will be negative as well. Our next example, we're going to use that information to determine in which quadrant theta is based on the signs, positive or negative, of the different trig functions. So I like to start by quickly jotting down that chart again. Alright, so our first question is, when is sine positive and cosine positive? Of course, that occurs in the first quadrant. Our second question is about cosecant. So we need to remember that cosecant has the same positive or negative sign as the sine does. So we could say, when is sine negative and cosine negative? That occurs in the third quadrant. Our next question, when is sine negative and tangent positive? That occurs in the third quadrant as well. And our last question is, when is secant negative? So we can think about when cosine is negative and cotangent is also negative. So we could switch that to tangent. So when our cosine and tangent both negative, that occurs in the second quadrant.